Hi friend, this is the rate Monk and today I'm with the Honor 5C and we are going to check out the review of the device, how the device is, what we have. We have using the device for quite a long time and the best part is that you can track your health. This is the easiest way. You don't have to put things in detail. You don't have to buy a fitness tracking band or any smart watch to get these things tracking. It is coming inside on your device. Nothing extra you have to pay from your pocket. This is very added advantage what a user can get, and there is nothing very big. You are only paying for a device and nothing extra is being charged. So this is one thing that I like in this smartphone, the health tracking app. And other than this, the fingerprint sensor is really very sensitive and it works very fast. It works like a charm. I have tried few time because I like to play with the fingerprint a lot of time. I use different fingerprints to check it out. And as far as the customization is concerned, the EMUI gives you a lot of customization regarding the notification toggles. And as far as the about your phone, you can check out the device here. The device is running on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. The CPU is Kirin, which performs really good with the 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal storage. It handles too properly. It is a metallic display. Honor comes with a good battery life support for those who love to game for a longer time. This is the smartphone. It doesn't have a heating issue, so that thing can be taken out from the device. It performs well in normal condition. I'm not telling about the heating issue. So right now I'm playing few games. This is the Mortal Kombat, and I will try to play the game as fast as possible and try to pick the things so that you can see how it performs. There is nothing lag in the game. I have played the game fully here, and I was satisfied with the color resolution, the game performance, the output, each and everything what I played. I was satisfied. The color saturation was good. The best part was it is not heating and it is taking the such an intense graphics game very easily. It can handle it very easily. So that was not the part, but right now by showing I have to beat this guy. I don't know why. It feels like let's finish it. uh, and it is a hardcore game, definitely R rated for few people. Those who don't love action games, this will be a boring one, but this is something we have born and seeing it and playing it while we have our old uh, gaming system. So this is really a crazy game for the action lovers, and you can see the graphics and gaming coming out really well. So that part is something I love. Sorry for the camera interruption. The camera is not performing. We are using another camera. My DSLR is with my friend, so skipping that part. Now I will show you that we already won. You can see. So skipping this part, going to the another game. We will check out few more games, and some says that it is a Kirin processor. Will it work or not? It was working very fine. You can see there is no hang, no lag. And going to the Mortal Kombat 5, so this is one more shooter game. So if you like first person shooter game, this is the game what you are looking for, and it is available free on the app Google Play Store. And the gaming graphics takes a high quality. We have seen that previous few phones with high specification, still they lag or they don't play out so well, but this one is something that we have tried and it pulls out the game very easily. There was no lag or issue while playing. And see, I am playing the game, and definitely it is in the 2x mode, so you are getting to see the pictures little faster, but the game quality what we are playing was above expectation. And when you are playing the game, two things are important. It is not getting heating, and the device should handle it properly. The battery consumption should be less so that it lasts a little longer. You come while driving, but still your phone should have 1 or 2% battery to make your important calls or message something. So that is why I will say that the best added advantage, as you can see, the battery is not draining so much. and the battery performance is really good for the device. It is though a metallic device in the back, but still it is not getting heating, so the heating issue is something which lets you to get bored too much. Overall, what the price point is, the price point is about 10,000, so it is really a challenging task here. There is no variant, there are three colors. So this is the steel gray color, which or the color I love the most, and there is one more silver color. The third one is the gold color. Gold color is pretty much similar, which we are getting right nowadays. It is common in each and every device, so I will definitely say if you want to experience a good color device, this one is the best one. Now skipping to the third game, we will try the Nova 3. This is one more hardcore graphics games, and it takes a lot of RAM, I'm telling you, and it is something that you want to spend. You some says that you need a 4 GB RAM or minimum 3 GB RAM. It is very strange that how a 2 GB RAM smartphone takes the game very easily. It takes the graphics. There is no issue, no hang, no lag. So these are the three games what we have played, and we were quite satisfied with that. And let's try one more time. Now this is the action time, and once I have already dead while telling you the story, let's end it up and have some action and fun here. So as you can see, uh, those who are gamers will love the device. Though the chipset is one of the main thing that gives you the ultimate performance here. So it is not always about the RAM, or it is not about the storage what you are getting, or not about the other thing like display experience. This is something that what your device has. The best part is the screen size. It is 5 inch. 5 inch is very much one hand use, so not a problem while using also the device. So skipping that part, these were the gaming actions what we have done with the device. Now we will also check the Injustice, one more hardcore graphics game. It is similar to the Mortal Kombat, so don't need to think that you have already played Mortal Kombat. It will give you the really the same experience, but it is just to show that how the high graphic and games is being played in the Honor 5C, which will make you much more easier and simpler to play the games. So I'm just waiting to boot. As you can see, already it is been booted. Let's start the game, and it is taking some time right now. Not for the internet issue, but the game is really a big one. Let's start. Let me go to the play. Let me select here battle fight. So I'm just waiting to get it loaded so that I can show you the fight scenario. And here once the fight is started, as you can see, uh, the graphics is still, I will say that it is coming out very well, and there is really not an issue for that. And see the number of multitasking I am doing with the device, and it is still taking no time, no lag, no hang. So that is the added advantage. Very few devices with such power can handle that. Skipping those smaller things, let's go to the camera part. The camera is coming the flawless thing. The camera is really good here. It has a 13 megapixel. It gives you a lot of filter for the edition. There is also flash on or off. You can have the bulb to put it on, and there is a front camera of 8 megapixel which will take a good selfie picture. There is a lot of mode, taking the good food mode, HDR mode, beauty mode. There is a slow motion, there is a pro photo, so the photographers will definitely like it. Pro video mode, time lapse, panorama, photo mode, video mode, lighting and painting mode. So these are the few things, and in the settings you get few more. So going to that part, as you can see, it is not too much. We have already talked a detail of about it in our last video of Honor 5C first impression. So we have done a lot on the gaming side, and also have tested the camera. We were definitely satisfied. This is one of the good option to choose your phone. This is all about Honor 5C. This is at the rate IOldMom signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and keep watching.